Do you know the difference between a shortbread cookie and a Spritz cookie? It's one egg, that's all. But this egg makes a world of difference. So I'm going to show you how to make Spritz cookies, which are great for around Christmas time or really any time of the year. We're going to blend the butter and sugar together. You want to take your time combining them because you want that sugar to start dissolving into the butter. Next, you're going to add that egg. So put the egg right in, mix that up. You're going to add in your vanilla next. And then all of your dry ingredients. So we have flour and baking powder. And you can put the baking powder right into the flour so it kind of gets incorporated a little bit. And slowly add in the flour. So at this point, we're gonna take it all off here and we're gonna get out the Spritz machine. First thing we're gonna do is fill that press up. So we're gonna fill that tube all the way up and making sure to pack it in there real well. There's a little tool that comes with most of them to get that air out and to bring it all the way down. And you're just gonna continue to fill that up until it's all the way to the top. Spritz cookies use a Spritz gun, and Spritz in German refers to squirt. So it's going to push that dough out and squirt it through the discs that we have. And I have a bunch of different little discs. I'm gonna pick the poinsettia, and once I have my tube all filled up, we're going to put that on top. And I like to just make a few in my hand to begin, just to push out any air. And you can see how it's squirting out of there. We're gonna put it on the pan and we're gonna do a count, and then the poinsettia will show up as we go out. The longer you hold it, the more of a design you're going to get. They don't spread a lot, so you can do them pretty close together. And continue doing that until your pan is all filled. Look at that, they're all set. You got little Christmas trees and little poinsettias. I'm gonna decorate them with just a little bit of decorations on top, and we're gonna do that before we bake them because it'll help make them stick a little bit more. We're gonna bake them at 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now that the Spritz cookies have been cooked, you can see they're real light on the front and just starting to get golden on the back, and that makes them nice and tender. Something else you can do is take the cookie and dip it in a little bit of chocolate. I like the white chocolate. And you can either dip the whole cookie in there or just spread some on the back and put a little decorations and let that cool. So when your guests are taking them off the tray, sometimes they'll get a little treat on the back side of their cookie. And so you can see here, we have them all done up, all ready for Christmas. You can find this recipe at the end of this video and more recipes at our Sharky's Greenhouse YouTube channel. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button.